كنت محرجة للساعة 12 و14 دقيقة مساء، ودرجة الحرارة المتوقعة هي 30 درجة مئوية.
Welcome to King Abdulaziz International Airport at Jeddah City, where the local time is 15 minutes past 12 in the afternoon and the outside temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, kindly remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. It is not safe to switch on mobile phones and personal electronic devices. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Take care when opening the overhead compartments, as baggage may be shifted during the flight. For booking questions or suggestions, kindly visit our website flynas.com, and you can download Flynas application from Apple Store and Play Store. On behalf of Flynas and all the crew, wish you a pleasant stay and express our pleasure to serve you on board this flight. We look forward to welcoming you soon on another flight, and thank you for choosing Flynas.